you know that you have been uploading videos using this option, like you have been uploading your videos directly to public, mind you have been making a very big mistake, and that is the reason why your videos are not getting views. Or are you actually in any way getting views, but the audience duration watch is not up to 1 minute or 2 minutes, even 3 minutes? It simply means you actually uploaded the wrong way. So I will advise you to stay tuned to this video and watch, because I will be showing you in this video how you can be able to upload your videos the right way. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you the right way to upload your videos so that you start getting views, and at the same time, when you get 10,000 views, you know that 10,000 views is actually accumulating some minutes, not 10,000 views that doesn't even accumulate all to 5 seconds. So stay tuned to this video, because I will be showing you everything, both practical aspects and the lessons you need to learn. So do not skip any part of this video, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your first time being my channel. You are most welcome there. My name is Vera Ugo. So in this channel, I create videos about YouTube tips, strategies, tools, ideas. So I share secret tips and strategies our big YouTubers have been using to get enough views and subscribers and retain their subscribers as well. All for the grace of my biggest brother, who is a biggest YouTuber here. He tells me all the secrets which nobody tells you here. I'll be telling you everything in this channel, okay? So my dear, if I were you, I will go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like, comment and share this video, because this is where you need to get all the secrets you need. They will tell you the normal ones, but they will not tell you the main secrets. Because of my brother is here, he's telling me everything. So let's move ahead without wasting time, okay? Now, if you go to upload on YouTube app, the one you're using to watch me right now, okay, you will see options like private, upload on private, public, schedule, premium, and unrealistic. Yes, these are the uploading options you are going to see. Now it's not left for you to choose one to upload to, okay? So I realized that a lot of small YouTubers are uploading their videos to public, and this is a very big mistake. And like I told you guys, that I'm being guided by my big brother, so he went ahead to ask me that am I actually uploading my videos on public? That is the question he asked me. I said yes, that is the normal way. He said no, that I should stop doing it as soon as possible. That all those big YouTubers I'm seeing there, even him himself, all those much views he's getting, he never in one day uploads his videos on public, except when he was growing it. But as of now, he has learned everything and know the main trick that works, that he never uploads his videos on public. This is the reason why I said you should stay tuned on this channel, okay? So I'll be telling you what he told me to be doing each time I want to upload my video, because he just noticed of recent that I'll not be getting that kind of views. Since 2 weeks I created this my channel, so he said this is how I'm supposed to be uploading my videos. So let's move ahead, because I'm going to open your eyes. I'm telling you everything. I'm not hiding anything from you. He went ahead to open my eyes that don't I know that when I upload my videos on public, that I'm not actually giving YouTube algorithm enough time to read my video datas. What are those my video datas? He mentioned my video datas, my title, my video title, my thumbnail, then the content of the video, the hashtags that I put there, the descriptions, that all those things matters. It will help the YouTube algorithm to push it to the potential or the right audience that needs to watch the video. Then he went ahead again to elaborate that don't I know that it's not everybody that's interested in watching my videos. I was like, how do you mean? He said that it's not everybody that is interested in watching my videos in this YouTube space, that everybody came to this YouTube space for a particular reason. And he went ahead to tell me that, okay, let's assume now that what he does here is to post content about wrestling. And that content about wrestling, me, myself, YouTube algorithm push it to me. Maybe I'm not a fan of wrestling. So once the YouTube algorithm push this video to me, what I will do is what to slide and pass, because I'm not a fan of it. I will not even look into it. By the time YouTube have pushed this to me, push it to another person, and nobody is giving attention to the video, it simply means that particular video will start lacking audience. Immediately, the reach will start dropping, meaning that YouTube will stop pushing that particular video simply because of what? That particular video is not actually getting audience. That people that this video is coming to is not actually clicking on it. They are not even giving interest. They are not even having time to click on it for the very first time, let alone to watch it. And at the same time, if in any way they click on it, they will not be able to watch up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 3 minutes. By so doing that, you will not be getting enough money if you are monetized, or you will not be getting enough watch hours if you are not monetized. So guys, he went ahead to tell me that I should stop damaging my own channel with my own hand by posting to public immediately I want to post my video. That is wrong, that I should stop doing it. If I have been doing it, I should stop, because I will never get anything good from this channel. In as much as I'm posting like that, I will just be wasting a whole time in this space. I will tell you now to stop doing so as well, okay? But don't I know that all I need at this moment, since I'm not monetized, that I need the watch hours, I need the views, I need the engagement, I need all those subscribers, so that I can be able to monetize, and as well for YouTube to know that actually I am doing a good work here and that people are actually interacting with my video. So I should stop doing those things I'm doing. I should stop posting my video to public immediately. That it is going to affect my channel growth, it's going to affect my channel visibility and everything. In fact, drastically everything is going to come down. That I should stop doing it as soon as possible and do this thing he told me. So my dear, I went ahead to ask him, what should I do now? What option should I choose? So this is where he now went to his phone and explained the whole thing to me. And I'm going to explain it here for you guys also. So guys, due to that, I'll be taking you guys to my YouTube studio so that I can show you what he showed me, things he asked me to do, and how to do them, okay? So let's move to my phone now without wasting time. It's just a short screen record, it's not much. YouTube Chrome. I have it already in my phone. If you don't have it, just go to Google and type YouTube Studio desktop version or desktop site. It will come out. We'll click on return to studio. So guys, I'm going to use one of my videos to show you guys example, okay? So I have to go to content here. Look at this place. I think the third one on the line by the side. So let me select a particular video so I can show you the right way to upload the video. So this particular video, this first one, let me tap on the visibility. Alright, as you can see, you will see save or public. Okay, you will see private, unlisted, public. Okay, so the right way to upload video here is for you to just tap on schedule. When you tap on schedule here, the next thing you're going to do is to type in the date. If in any way you want to upload your video the next day, you have to try as much as possible schedule it today, so that you will give the YouTube algorithm enough time to read your video data before uploading it, so that it will push it to the right audience that will watch it. Okay, you fix in the date. Once you fix in the date like this, you select any date of your choice, then you now come here and select time. Okay, you choose any time of your choice. So that's just it. And when it comes to time zone, it depends your area. Okay, you just choose the right time zone that you people use over there. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, you can use the local time or the Lagos zone. Look at it here. There's this particular. Now let me show you. If you are staying in Nigeria, you use local time. Okay, or you use this one. This one they wrote Lagos. Okay, but if you are staying in US, you go for, you see your own here. In fact, anywhere you are, just take your time. If you are staying in US, you see your own. All of them have their own here. Okay, both the people that are staying in Toronto and the people that are staying in Berlin. So anywhere you are, just choose your own
time zone so that it will rhyme. Once you are done, you just type on this place, you will see schedule. You tap on schedule. Once you tap on schedule, all right, you tap on schedule, then the next thing you're going to do is, this is already an old this thing that I did. You now come here and you tap on public. This is now when you now come and tap on public. Do not tap on unlisted. Unlisted is only those that has the link to your video that can watch it. Why private? You just made it private. It's only though you wish to give your link to watch. So public will help you to distribute it out there for people to watch. So at the same time, unlisted, this is a bonus. So if you are someone who is trying to build your channel, like you want to complete your watch hours, don't go for unlisted for one day, because this unlisted actually is not a public watch. Any view you get from that, it is not going to count. Yes, even if you get millions of views or millions of watch hours, it's not going to count. So mind you, anytime you put your video unlisted, make sure that you go and put it on public. Okay, so that's it, guys, because it will not count once it's unlisted. It's only the one that is on public. The one that is on private will not also count. It is only the one on public. So guys, that's just it. I hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. So I have believed that you guys have subscribed for more videos. So see you then in my next video. Bye. You can drop your question. I'm here to answer you. Take care of yourself.